Look at that, King's Head. There's no birds here, they're all pigeons. But I'm in Lymington at the moment, and this is a really old town. Look at it, it's ancient. You know, some of the buildings I think were built quite a long time ago. I don't know when, I'll have to find out. But I'm going to go down here. Let's walk down here. I've got my suitcase. Ice cream. Let's just walk down here for a minute and see what's going on. Try not to film anyone. Ancient, isn't it? I mean, look at this. It's quite dangerous, isn't it? This floor. And look how steep it is. Not sure when they built this, but quite a long time ago. So I've got to be careful how I walk. Old Solent house. So these are quite old houses. Quay Hill. I'm looking for pigeons. That's ancient town. Very old. I'll have to figure it. Yeah, I'll have to sort of do a bit of research how old the town actually is. Another little restaurant, pub, takeaway fish and chips. So I'm going to go down here. I've been down here before. All this sausage rolls and I'll get one ice cream. Some ice cream. It's a holiday town. Look. Let's see what birds are here today. None. None whatsoever. No swans. Last time I come in there, there's a duck. I can see one duck. There are some pigeons here and swans. Oh, there's a pigeon. Let's sit here for a minute. There's some ducks. So, I mean, I've got to open my suitcase to be honest with you because my nuts are going to be in there. Oh, they're flying away. So let's go up here. I think this was an old sort of place. Lymington used to be an old salt place where they used to sort of bring salt in. So there's a turn. My first bird really. Ducks down there. I do love ducks, but I love pigeons more. So there's those two pigeons. I mean, I think this is where I last fed them, to be honest with you. Somewhere here. I saw zebra wings, I think, last time. So if I sit here, open my suitcase up. They're flying off, that's the problem. There's only one here I can see. So I've just got to get the food out. Oh, no, he's flying off. Anyway, let's get my food out. They might come back. Just turns really. Yeah. It's a bit windy here today, unfortunately. It's lovely. Well, it's windy yesterday as well. So let's see if we can. Let's see if we're going to like that. See if turns, yeah. Turns. Are they eating it? No, they don't like it, see. Shame any pigeons not here. Just turns. Get here. Where's the pigeons? Gonna have to sort of, you know, maybe it's a bit wet. That's one of the biggest gulls in the world. Black winged gull. Really big wingspan. No pigeons. Last time I come here there was a few pigeons. So I'm a bit disappointed. So it's a black wings have got all they're really big wings, man. So what I'm going to do is switch my camera off for a minute and, you know, see if I can find any pigeons. I'm back. There's no pigeons here, unfortunately, not at the moment. Anyway, get out of it. Just a big swan. Look at him, trying to help himself. He's spitting at me. Ouch! You give him food and he bites you. You cheeky little bird pigeon. Oh, sorry, it's not a pigeon, sorry, a swan. What am I talking about? God, it bit me really quite hard actually. Get out of it, I'm not giving you any more, you're greedy. I've got to save it for my pigeons. No, I'm not giving you any more, you're nasty. You're a nasty swan, look at him, his wings up. Look at that. Horrible. They got teeth. Oh look, here's a pigeon. Here's a pigeon, first pigeon. Right, let's get some to the ducks and the pigeons. I don't want to give you any more. Go away. You nasty swan. Go away. Go away. I'm trying to look at that pigeon there. Get here. More pigeons might come in a minute. You never know. I do like swans, but they're nasty. They're nasty. They're not very nice. You think they're nice, don't you? You think they're going to be friendly, but look, they attack. Look. Let's see if I can stroke her. Stroke him, probably a man. They don't like being touched, do they? They don't like it. So he just... So where's the pigeons? They're laughing at that. Look at that. Duck fight. Where's that pigeon gone? Oh, he's still there. Any more pigeons? So I'm at Lymington today. Let's have a look around Lymington. There's not many pigeons here this time. And just a nasty swan. Oh look, see? Do you see that? Nasty swan. Just one pigeon. Believe it, but it's been raining a little bit here today. So that's quite a new old building in there. That ship in. I've been in there. I used to work here in Lymington quite a lot actually. I used to do removals. Get here. Unfortunately, it's just not a very good day. I'll have to come back here again one day in the future, you know. I just picked a bad day to come. Cloudy and rainy. That's nasty to the swan then. I threw some nuts in his face. So, nasty swan. That's all we got. No pigeons. One pigeon. A bit disappointing really. I was hoping that things would be a little bit different here. Yeah, I've got my silver suitcase with me. Oh, let's see. Poor duck. That's nasty. Nasty swan. You nearly killed that swan then. No way. I'm not giving you any more. You don't deserve any more. You nasty swan. I don't know where all the other pigeons are hiding to at the moment, to be honest with you. Got all these balconies up here. I think you've got to be quite rich to live in Lymington actually, you know. I think it's one of the, sort of for the square root of it, more millionaires live here than anywhere in the country apparently. Or not, I think. But I'll have to, don't know if that's true. But quite a few millionaires come here to retire, that's for sure, when they get old. It's a nice place to live basically. Is that duck after that pigeon? So that's it from me. I'm gonna go home and go back. Look at him, he's sort of like molting. So I hope you enjoyed that. Oh look, more pigeons coming in. I've got to go though because I've got an appointment. Well, I'm back in Lymington again. It's stopped raining now, look at this. I love it. It's so funny. Like little hummingbirds, aren't they? So no pigeons, but lots of these little brats, aren't they? Look at them. They're like little sheep. They're like little dogs. Got one flying on my head. I've got a big bet. You horrible, greedy birds. So I like pigeons more. Another one. Anyway, yeah, they're thieves, aren't they? There's a couple of pigeons over there. Noise, don't they? They're like little children, aren't they? That's good. Nick my food. That's all my food gone now. They're thieves, aren't they? Run over, leave his death. Got a bad leg. Go away, you noisy birds. So I'm going to call that a day. No pigeons. And some pigeons over there which I'm going to go and feed now. So yeah, not many pigeons here today unfortunately. Just 3. And there's going to be someone walking past in a minute, so the pigeons love it. So I'm going to hope that more pigeons come in. Unfortunately somebody's going to walk past in a minute though. too many people here really. More pigeons coming in. They all look the same here, don't they? Last time I come here there's a zebra one. So I was hoping to see more pigeons really, but more might try in. Just don't know. So is Lymington a nice place? Well, it is if you're rich. I think if you've got money, anything's nice, isn't it? You know, if you can go to all these fancy restaurants along here and have a good time, you know. I think you can have a good time if you've got money. You can have a good time when you ain't got money, to be honest with you. You know, you can smile when you're homeless, and providing you've got a nice comfortable pillow, you got a nice sleep. You know. So really, not many pigeons here today, unfortunately. It's just not the best day today, you know. But it's just. Alright, I'm going to go now, have a good day at Lovell Birds and be happy. Yeah, I had to go because my brother phoned me up, but I'm back again. And we got a few more pigeons here now. I can't see zebra wings. I think I can remember when I come here last, zebra wings was here. So we've only got some pigeons, unfortunately. Hello. Got these little birds up here. On these, I just want to see what they are. I think they are birds. Or maybe they're not birds. You know. He wants to be a seagull. So I'm going to leave it there because it's raining. It's starting to rain a little bit, so have a good day. Love birds and be happy. One of the best movie, you know. To be honest, I thought it was going to be sunnier today, more pigeons. They're still waiting for more. Go away. Get me eating that, they don't want that. See, they don't like nuts. This one's a pretty one. Right, that's it. Look at that giant seagull. He's the captain. So good day, love all birds and be happy.